Right, guys, another video responding to what the community tab says on YouTube. I'll show you that in a minute. How-to videos. One of the most important things if you are trading the indices, for instance, is all indices have cash times. For instance, in the Northern European session, UK time opens at 8 o'clock in the morning, closes 4:30 on the evening. If it's American cash hours, they're different cash times as well. The markets are generally made by relevant brokers, so you can trade 24 hours a day, but the cash pivots are absolutely key. And if you don't know where the actual cash pivots are, then you're trading with one arm behind your back. It's very powerful to understand where these things are and how to use them. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you we use Pro Real Time in my trading room. Just going to show you where the cash pivots are, how to generate them, and how the market reacts to them. So come on, let's share this screen. So let's share a screen, and it's this one here. Right, okay, so we've got a screen here. This is UK FTSE. Today is the 2nd of May, and you will be able to, I'll just turn these fractals off. Right, there we go. So we can see the clean tools. As you can see here, we use Heiken Ashi candles. You'll see these lines here, daily high, R1, R2, two-day highs, R3, C-Bull, Camarilla breakout long, Camarilla breakout short, and all these things are plotted. And the markets, well, I guess the pro traders, people with a lot more experience, some of the bigger trading houses, etc., actually know where all these plots are, and they actually use them on a daily basis to understand where the price action is reacting to certain pivots in the market. Got a 1-hour chart here. You can see them vaguely here. If I zoom into, let's say, 5 minutes, and then you can see, so Camarilla breakout long, you can see how important it is. Market comes up, reacts here off the cam level. Camarilla breakout long, again, it comes up here. And as you can see, it has been very, very important. Once this level is broken out, we call this a breakaway. If you break the cam levels, you'd often go to a breakaway and come to the next major point. You can see here again, daily high, all plotted. This is a daily cash high, not what you can see on your normal chart. Charts usually have made up figures to make 24-hour markets, when actually, in fact, the traded time, cash hours, are from very specific times. In this illustration, from 8 o'clock in the morning till 4:30, they're the exact cash hours. So you can see how the market reacts. Without these in the market, you're blind. Don't know why the market's stopping there. You might see some confluence, but these are very precise lines. And you really, if you want to be able to make money, be consistent, you need to know where these are. I have an algo for this. Only works on Pro Real Time. I'm sure you can get them everywhere else, but I'll just show you the configuration. All I do is type in high, low, close, and the software for me that I wrote configures and puts all these in for me. And it works really, really well. If you want to get these pivots, for instance, let's flick this on here. Here they are. This is my website, HARKOLTD.com, and these are the cash pivots here. You can download these for next to nothing. You install them on your PRT chart, and you get those and install them, and then you know where you are every day on the market. The reason I'm doing this video is because, look, you've got normal videos, etc. You can see we've done a few fractal trades here, but I've started using this community tab here, and people are coming onto this and voting and telling me what they want to see. So we've got fractal trading, which is well ahead of everything else. How-to videos. This is a how-to video. How to put plots, how to put very specific layers on your chart so you know exactly what to do. And I will be doing some algorithm trading shortly, because that's been requested as well. So how-to videos, technical indicator videos. So yeah, I'll be doing those again. So a little flashback. Don't forget, cash pivots are king. They really are. And so if you understand the pivots, then you will do particularly well in the market. I'll just stop that share. Oh, back again. Right. Okay. So it was a very quick video. I can't emphasize enough the importance when you're trading indices. You have to know where the cash pivots are, or you're flying blind. If you don't use PRT, TradingView, I'm sure you can get cash pivots and other bits of software, but please be minded, if you're going to trade any cash index, you need cash pivots. If you like this video, please subscribe. Not many people subscribe. I have thousands of people follow me, and probably about 5 or 6% subscribe. So if you subscribe, you'll get information on what's going on quickly. If you go in the community and vote for what you want, I'll do a video for that as well. So please like, subscribe, and I'll see you again. Cheers then. Bye-bye.